Hello everyone, I am Sohrab and today I want to show you how you can load a map from Google website. I have a Winform application and here I have a web browser and I want to load the map in the web browser. You can use a URL from Google to load it in a web browser. You will need some items. You have two options. First option is using the name of location. The second is using the coordinates. And also I have a combo box to select the map styles, the type of map, satellite, hybrid, and Google Earth and others. Here is a string array to select the map, and you have two options. First option is using the name for location, and second is the using coordinate for location, and then you will create a URL and load it and navigate it into a web browser. Also, I have a checkbox and I want to start the project and show the result to you. You can use this checkbox to select name or select coordinate. Now I want to use coordinate, a sample coordinate. You can use any decimal values, and when you click on show map, it needs time to load the map from the Google. Okay, here is the map and the zoom item will show here, and I want to zoom out it. And you can change the type of map to satellite or map or Google Earth. Now I want to select the map type of the Google map. This is type of map and it will load fastest than the satellite. I want to zoom out and show you the result. Is here, the coordinate is here. Okay, now I want to show you using the name. I want to use New York, and I will click it on show map, and the map will change to New York. This is New York and this is Empire State Building. Also, I want to use my location, Seoul in South Korea. And this is my location, and I will zoom out and show you the result. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.